These are German Shorthair Pointer puppies. They're almost 4 weeks old, and they're already potty trained. I start litter box training them at 2.5 weeks. They're born June 26th. Good girl! That's a good girl! That little girl's going poopy in there, all by herself. Who's crying over there, huh? Are you crying? Are you crying, huh? And there goes her little brother. They're eating right here. They're just eating now. And all by themselves. They go in the litter box and they go potty. And most people can't train an older dog, and these guys, like I said, I start training them at 2.5 weeks, and they're not even 4 weeks yet. Well, German Shorthair Pointers, one of the smartest dogs, I would say. You guys all done eating? Huh? Oh, good girl. You going poopy too, little boy? Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. They were about 1 pound when they were born, and now they're between 5 and 6 pounds each. Let's pick that up. Oh, good boy. These are so young, they're not even barking yet.